Oh. Hey tubers, well, if you've been following my videos, I've been trying to build a camper van, and I've wired it for lights, and I've put in a bed and a kitchen and all that other crap. But one of the things I have not dealt with is power. I've got a fuse panel here, and I've got some 12-volt wire that I can hook up to that fuse panel, and I've even got 120 volt wired up, 110, whatever you want to call it, but I've got no power station, and I haven't built one or figured it out. Well, I had no real need for 120 volt, the 110 power, and I had been using an old car battery to run my lights, water pump, the stuff I needed to use this as a camper van. Well, the car battery won't hold a charge anymore, so I broke down and I bought a power station. Now hopefully I bought the right one, and I don't know how good or bad it is, but here's the big reveal. I got an EcoFlow. I'm not exactly sure. I think this is the Delta 2. Whatever. Yeah, EcoFlow Delta 2. Not the biggest station in the world, not the smallest. Let me just, it's going to sound a little bad, but power stations are like assholes. Everybody's got one and they're all different. My God, if that's not the truth of it. Anyways, this is what I'm going to be using for my power station, hopefully. It's got to go through one test before it goes in the van, and that is take it in the house, charge it up. If it can't run a microwave, I've got no use for it, because that's a requirement my wife has. So, hey, I think I'll just post this video, and then I'll do an unboxing video of this machine, and we'll see what it does.